I would like to share to you guys non-voice job at the same time, work from home. Let's go! At kung gusto mong maging updated sa mga videos ko at work from home, online jobs, just follow me guys and like my videos. Thank you! Remote task. Super legit ito guys dahil galing na ako dito. I will share to you the legit person that you can contact para naman magkaroon ka na ng non-voice job. At the same time, kasama mo pa ang family mo.
Ryu Data Center, dating remote task. Not sure kung yun pa na yung gamit nila guys, but one thing for sure ay hiring sila. Yes, they're hiring annotator at napakadali lang ng work na ito guys. It's a non-voice guys at ang bayad dito ay per task. Kaya naman kung dedicated tasker ka, sure, nasasahod ka. If you're interested guys, just simply message Miss Maureen. Siya ang isang legit person na pwede niyong kontakin and I will put the link below also the Google Meet link that they will use. And please follow Miss Maureen also para maging updated ka sa mga post niya about sa work na ito. Super legit ito guys dahil galing na ako dito. Ayan guys, they are hiring dedicated annotators. And may requirements na rin na laging may post si Miss Maureen kaya naman contact mo na siya kung interested ka. At kung nakapasa ka at natanggap ka sa Ryu Data Center, please naman mag-comment ka, i-follow mo ako at i-share mo na rin ang video ko. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Hanggang sa muli kong video. Bye-bye!